Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have to ask the ask because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equal to number 0, so we put number 0 gone here, and we have u equals to number 0. When s equals to number 1, we put number 1 gone here, and we have u equals to number 1. So the bounds we don't need to change. S where we change by u. Ask the s we change by the u over number 2. Next, we need to multiply by e to the power of u on numerator and denominator. E to the power of u multiplied by number 1 and e to the power of negative u, we have like this. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equal to e to the power of u plus 1. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, we have dt equals to e to the power of u du. Later that, we need to change the bounds. When u equals to number 0, so I will put number 0 gone here, and we can find the value of t. So t equals to number 2. When u equals to number 1, so we put number 1 gone here, and we have t equals to e plus 1. So number 0 we change by number 2, number 1 we change by e plus 1. This one we change by t. E to the power of u du we change by dt. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of t, and we put the bounds from number 2 to e plus 1. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.